I was just sitting at this tree yesterday and didn't see y'all. I guess they said we're gonna come out and play today with the Boiler Monk. Be careful, this water, my hot water over here spilling. What you doing? What are you doing? You right there? Your brothers ain't gonna come out? He heard me. I can hardly see him. There you go. What y'all doing? What the other two at? That's the other, your other three brothers shy. They came out at first. They said you ain't supposed to be outside. You're gonna get in trouble. I don't want to touch you and get in trouble with your parents there. They got 4 of them out here for 4 years. They took my baby boy. The rabbits are sympathetic to give me a little bit of joy. They heard I haven't had the opportunity to play with a baby. All my babies get stolen or kidnapped. So the compassionate rabbits here. What's she doing over there? Just exploring. Oh, there go some more. There go 2 of them. That's 2 of the. There's one more in there that's hiding. Come on out.
Innovate, equip, labor laws like I.A. Philip Randolph. Billionaires fit the standoff. Favorable terms proposed, my LeGrand Marine staffing. But who'd if you didn't know my history of diligence is due? Grounded hard from the heart, drafted architecture for skilled craftsmen. Real power, most apparent like the kilovolts amperes. My solution for power factors is unity. Inducing amps, not the lag, so capacitor. My volts charged in the circuit, perfect. I earthed it for the lightning that's drifted astray. Arrested insulation, isolate the back feeds. Impedance from the false pretenses, reactive. Reversed it, switching to a phase leads. Adaptation to my core laminations. Limit losses, seed mentors. Poetic force, kilowatts for this Sumema chorus.